We got to talk to the contractor about doing the exterior first.
Right.
Because we're going to go ahead and put signage up while we're working on the interior.
I've already ordered it too.
Get renters.
That's why I called them again today. To
You need some help?
cut it out.
You want to knock these bushes out.
Yep.
I think we should maybe do some trees on the corners.
The tall.
You need some height. I feel like it's going to look kind of bare.
Trying to figure out like real deal with this paint too. The gray color that I originally had picked out that I thought was a gray is not going to work.
Why?
Because when you looked up the real color, it was more
green.
green.
That's right.
So they went with white, right?
Right.
We need to bring some activity to the block to kind of, bring some awareness, and that will complete the street. So I wouldn't want to give another white. Originally, what I was thinking of doing like a white, and we was gonna do a gray here, right? So on this one now, maybe we can do a cool color that still match the community, and then put another, still, modern looking color, but old style.
Maybe a navy, like a dark blue. I just feel like it needs some color. I feel like black is not. And then we can do a lighter gray here.
Indigo.
Indigo is pretty. Yeah, I like that. Something along that line.
And I guess we can check out the neighborhood a little bit and see with some of the other development that's going on, kind of like what's color, because I still want to keep it kind of original. Historical.
Right.
So.
And I think doing some color will help like pop some of this trim, the windows.
We're gonna get the stove that's a larger stove. So what we're gonna do is remove the cabinets out, take out the hot water tank like we discussed, and get rid of the wash and dryer connection. What I wanted to do is at least keep them as an option still, like we don't have to furnish them, but have it where someone can put a stackable unit, because just beginning with the end in mind, if you ever want to like sell them higher end, at least you can sell them with units in them. I would love to do a retro style like flooring. I got two options I want to show you. And then
so he's doing tile, right?
Correct. I would love the blue cabinets. I want to do a color on the cabinets. Just trying to find that old style pattern.
I know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Kind of a darker, or you want to do a white?
Right. So that's an option. This is more modern now. This is a modern look. Or if we chose to keep it like, so I chose some modern patterns. So that'll be the pool, kind of the flooring pool.
Yeah, no.
Okay, so too modern.
I think what you were saying about doing more of a retro look will pull in the historic look of the outside.
With all the thing else we have to do, I'm gonna go back with the normal light and go back and paint throughout. And these should be ready pretty quick.
These 3 units?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so we can run upstairs.
We still haven't come up with a solution for flooring.
I was just gonna do carpet.
Even here?
Even here.
So carpet everywhere except for the bathroom and kitchen.
Correct.
No vinyl.
No, and then what we would do is we could do a small vinyl entry. So when you walk in, make a small vinyl entry for a stepway when you come in. And here we just paint the walls, which really doesn't need it.
Yes, it does.
Gosh.
It's blue.
It's gray, depending on how your eyes see it.
No, I see blue.
Close your eyes.
It's blue.
You don't see that gray in there?
I see blue.
There's nothing wrong with these walls. Paint for no reason. We're gonna check out the foyer and make a decision on that. Keep it rolling, rolling, rolling.
We gotta talk to the contractor about doing the exterior first.
Right.
Because we're gonna go ahead and put signage up while we're working on the interior.
I've already ordered it too.
So we can get renters. We can get inquiries from renters.
Right, up front. That's why I called them again today. To
You need some help?
cut it out. Get confused on these keys. Looks like this bottom lock. Need some WD-40. But it's gonna be nice. Once we do this, clean up the yard really wet, like really nicely. They're gonna be redoing all the wood here. So he's gonna put in new flooring. We're gonna raise the rails here, which that'll make it look new again. I don't know why. I swear, I really don't want to do this.
You don't want to what? Take those out?
This?
Well, it was a safety issue.
I know.
It wasn't anything necessarily wrong with them other than the paint is peeling, but it's not safe. So if a person standing here, they can.
So I think this would be a really cool area for like setting it up with some little tables.
Yeah.
And make it like a little, you know, a common area.
Well, I want to talk about the flooring here.
I'm gonna do mineral spirits, clean it up as best we can.
Okay.
I'm considering talking to him. I was telling him he could do a light sand.
Yeah.
And just put a polyurethane on top of it and make it recessed lighting.
Take that out, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna put recessed lighting, brighten it up really well in here. Definitely, you will still have to tuck 2 of the units you're gonna put in for the washer dryer connections.
Right.
And which again, I need to really compare the pricing for him doing that compared to keeping it in the units and just saving $2,000, $1,500. You know what I'm saying? Because you got to buy the unit, you got to pay for him to modify it, plus pay for the actual washer and dryers.
Right.
You see what I'm saying? I don't know. I just think we maybe need to pencil that in and go back to the drawing board and see if it just works. Just let them put a stackable in the laundry, in the kitchen and be done with it.
Gotcha.
Because
you can't just leave it connect, not us providing the stackable.
No. Just leave it where they can connect it and be done with it. And I think it'll make more sense.
Well, I like the idea because we could charge
I understand.
for the washer and dryer.
But you know, you always have to run the rent analysis. So it's like, if you got to pay $1,500, if you made $100 a month on that alone, you still lost money first year. I wish we could take it back down to the wood and restain it.
Yeah, that would take too long.
I know, it'll be so pretty. So we'll redo the door there where you come in. So the 2 units downstairs can't access this, only the upstairs will physically be able to enter and exit the units. It gives protection if something's going on. They have a way of escaping. In here, you do not want to enter, but I'll let you peek your head in there. So right now, it's a renovation going on. This is week 1. We had to take the entire ceiling down and go back with new sheetrock because we had a sag in the roof from a previous roof leak. You see how high that would be? Mm-hmm. That would be really nice.
Why can't we go up higher?
Because you got duct work that you could, but now you have to really then tear out this plaster. And you'll be placing sheetrock there for what reason?
I got you.
It ain't no need. I have no idea why they even came down like that with it, to be honest with you. We've already placed the entire order for all the materials, so we've done our punch list on here with all the general material we need to do the construction. I hadn't ordered any kitchen cabinets, I haven't ordered any appliances, and I haven't ordered any tile for the bathrooms. But everything else, we've ordered.
This one needs a whole new kitchen, but I actually like the layout of these 2 units at the top better.
So the other items we have to order will be just the hot water tank, kitchen cabinets.
But we're doing the short ones, right?
Yeah, carpet and vinyl. And then this one will be ready to go. So like you said, I think the main thing he goes and does the exterior first, get it prepared, really nicely lay out the landscape. And I normally don't like to do that because of the fact, we like to do that last. We're gonna have people trampling all over the flowers, but.
We don't have to do landscape. We could pull the bushes, go ahead and do the paint and all the woodwork outside.
And just clean it up real good.
And then whoever does our landscape at the end and do that.
Okay. And if you want to move anything around, the time is now. So make sure if y'all want to do anything different, figure that out now. With the laundry, all of that stuff, it's the time to do it now. Once he completes that demo, we'll start going back in with new sheetrock, and then after that, we'll start the paint. So this project shouldn't really take that long, but I don't want to say that too soon.